What's the meaning of all this? Are you trying to blackmail me or what?
You know, when I told you that I'm the one to say when this is over, you thought I was joking. Think again. This will not be over until I'm done getting my full revenge on Sharon.
And I've told you time with that number. What is it that is unforgivable? What is it that this girl did to you that you can't even forgive and let her go?
Just calm down. Just have a seat. You're about to find out what she did to me.
No. You really have to tell me. No, tell me. Huh?
I just said you should sit. You're about to find out what Sharon did to me.
What did Sharon do? I heard your conversation. What is going on? What's going on here? What is going on here? I don't understand.
I will tell you. You stupid idiot. But before then, I just have to tell you that this love thing going on between you two, it's not real.
Stanley, what is she talking about? Can you explain? And what?
I don't know. She masterminded the whole thing. And I think she should be in the best position to air and clear the air. And tell you.
I don't get it. What did she mastermind? What is good? Can you just make it make sense to me? What is happening here?
Calm down, darling. I'm going to tell you in detail. So that in your next life, you will respect, fear, and never betray anyone called Debbie.
Deborah! What is you?
What are you doing here?
Hey, leave what I'm doing here first. Deborah! So this is you?
It's me.
Hey, who is the car?
Oh yeah, I actually wanted to pump my tire.
Hey.
I mean, what are you doing here? Is this what you do? Stanley, the most brilliant in our class. No way. This is what you do.
You know, if being brilliant in the class equates to being successful, then you that I know will be cleaning somewhere in the street.
Oh, please.
Life is not fair to some of us. It's okay. That's how I saw the life. Deborah,
good to see you.
You're looking good though.
Oh, thank you.
Hey.
Thank you. You know what? I think you should just round up what you're doing. I live close by. Let's just go to my place. Good meal will not be bad, you know. We need to catch up.
For me?
Yes.
Hey! Wait. Just wait. Let me pack all these things in my shop.
All right.
Hey! Good meal. Yes. Deborah. 1 minute, I'm coming.
Okay.
You're welcome to my house.
Life itself is not fair to some of us.
Listen, whenever you envy or talk about wealth, you don't know its source. Please sit.
Thank you.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Man, this meal is so delicious. Very sweet.
I'm glad you like it.
I love it. You can cook.
Do you want more?
What?
I can get you more.
No. I've not even finished what you gave me. Yes, I cook for more. No. Let me finish this one. This is enough. It's okay. Okay, sir.
Alright. Just eat. We'll have a lot to discuss after your food.
Okay. You're living this life. Devi.
You know, poverty has a way of making a man lose his steez and respect. Do not let that happen to you. You are a man. Be a man.
Well, you're right.
Yeah. For you?
Wine.
Yes.
It's nice.
I'm glad you like it.
Love it.
Good. Okay. I have a job for you.
A job for me. That's beautiful now. I'm available.
You know, I've been looking for a perfect person for this job till I met you today.
Hush. God. So, I'm lucky then. What kind of job is that?
You remember our friend, our classmate Sharon? You remember her, right?
Yes, now Sharon.
Yes, you know, you guys used to have crush on each other.
Sharon! Ha! I can never forget that girl. Up till this day, I still have a crush on her.
Really?
I'm telling you. So much like that girl. Hi,
that means
Sharon.
You are perfect for this job.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
You are.
How do you mean?
Okay, this is it. I want you to help me. Okay, I mean, partner with me to, you know, destroy her marriage and career.
What? Destroy what? Her marriage? God forbid. No, I can't do that. Mbao. Destroy Sharon's marriage. Mbao. No, I can't do that. Sorry.
Stanley, listen. It's not like we are killing her. It's just to make her, divorce her husband. She's not actually enjoying the marriage. The marriage is not good for her. It's not good for her career. Just do it for me.
What are you talking about? It's not like we want to kill her. It's not like we're killing her. So what are you doing? Oh, you think killing somebody is by maybe stabbing them, murdering them, and seeing their lifeless bodies littered everywhere? Emotional trauma is another form of killing. So what are you saying? Please, please, please. I don't think I want to do this. Please.
Stanley, just take a good look at yourself. Don't you want to upgrade your life? Don't miss this opportunity. Don't miss it. Just grab it.
Which opportunity? You think it's every opportunity that someone will grab? There are opportunities that are death sentence. Like this one now is automatic death sentence. In fact, I'm out of this place. What are you talking about? I'm not. I have to leave.
5 million naira is the pay. Your problem. This is an opportunity so many guys are looking for.
You said so many guys. Am I so many guys? I am one entity. One man that has conscience. I am not so many guys. Now go and look for so many guys and give them the job. I'm not interested.
You know what? I'm going to give you some time to, think over it.
Think about what? Think over destroying somebody. See, let me tell you something. My no is my no. I will not change my mind. Please stop dreaming. You are dreaming. Stop dreaming. I will not do it.
All right. Just take your time and please keep your mouth shut. Do not contact Sharon.
I don't have a problem with that. But you should change your ways. Change your ways from evil. Thinking about destroying somebody. Somebody that got created.
Shut and think about it.
Change your ways. You are evil.
Please, where is Stanley?
Oh, Stanley. He just left. He went to the market to get materials.
Do you have an idea how long he's going to stay? Maybe I can wait for him.
I don't think you can wait though. It's not quite long he left actually.
Do you know where he stays?
Hey, it's his old place that I know. I don't know where he's staying recently.
Alright. Thank you.
No problem. Bye-bye. Hi. Take care. Child, what did they do Stanley? See the kind of way Stanley they going from. Hey. What's happened? See the kind of way they going from. What happened? What did they do you?
You no go understand, eh? She's asking for the impossible. I can't give it to her.
Which can be impossible again.
You no go
Stanley,
understand.
I don't understand you.
Thank you.
They follow you come this workshop? Hey, Stanley.
I'm sure Stanley is at that shop. He's just dodging me. Okay? I know what to do. I know just what to do. So you didn't go to the market again? Eh?
Yes, I didn't go to the market again. I mean, why are you trailing me everywhere now? Why are you following me to this place? Please, if it's because of what you told me, the reason why you are here, I am not interested. Can't you get it? Actually, I'm not interested. Take it to someone else. Ah.
It's obvious you want to die poor. Like, you want to remain in this poverty place. Fine.
Instead of me destroying someone's happiness and marriage, let me remain like this. You're talking as if you are Almighty God. Are you Almighty God?
Now you listen. Since you don't want to take this job, keep your mouth shut. Do not contact Shari, or you become my enemy.
Maga, have fun now. Waiting down, man. They fine.
I no understand. He said make I help am destroy person marriage. And she's offering me 5 million naira for me to destroy somebody's happiness, somebody's marriage, just like that. Well, I told her I'm not interested.
Wait till you talk. No, wait till you talk.
I'm not interested. I have one with paper. I'm not interested.
No be that one at the top. Wait till be that figure where you call. 5 waiting. Wait till you call.
5 million.
5 million.
Why you dey shout?
You mean say he dey give 5 million? Say wetin happen?
Make I take destroy person marriage. You don't understand that I dey talk that thing.
You know wetin, give me the contact. Just give me the woman contact, Not be to scatter marriage, See, person wey want make her marriage scatter. I don't dey outside, you get me? So wetin you dey waste? Which one be no worry? Omo, give me number, you dey talk. You be talk man, you be talk. Why you dey do like this?
He doesn't know good people don't make it in life. What do I do now? What do I do? How do I start looking for another person after I've convinced Stanley? Where do I start from? No, this is bad.
Opportunity. What will be big enough to change my life?
What are you doing here?
I am in.
Oh. Someone has come to his senses. Okay, fine. Come in. Come with me. First, you will receive 2 million naira after your first meeting with her. And you get your balance when the job is done.
Sorry. I'm just thinking aloud. Is what she did so strong that you can't even forgive her? That you had to bring her a sum of 5 million naira just for a revenge?
I don't need you to think for me. Neither do I need your motivational speech. Keep it to yourself. Just channel that energy to the job and get it done.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
But first, I think we need to get you cleaned up because I doubt she will look at you with the way you look now. You need to upgrade and change you up. So,
how do I get the money? Is it by transfer or cash?
Transfer.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You know, you can go to the first room by your left. Just freshen up and wear something nice for your first meeting.
Okay, I am thinking. Are you sure you're not thinking about changing your mind?
What's your problem? Can you just mind your business and do what brought you here? Just... Hello? Oh, you are at the gate? Alright, just give my gate man the key. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so the car you will be using for the job is here. So I've asked them to give my gate man the key. So we just go and freshen up. Get on with it. Please be fast.
At the left.
Yes, the first room by your left.
Left.
Yes. So you see, this whole thing is just fantasy. They're not real. It's just to destroy you and your career. Debbie, why? Debbie, I trusted you. What have I done to you to deserve such wickedness and betrayal from you? What have I done? You are talking about betrayal and wickedness? You! Sharon. You betrayed me. What? No. You're asking what you did, right? You betrayed me. Okay, fine. Let me refresh your memory.
Chairman, meet my friend Sharon, the one I told you about. You can always give her roles in your movies. We've been best of friends right from our university days.
She's very beautiful.
Thank you.
I hope she can act very well.
Very well, Chairman. She has featured in some movies.
No problem. Nice meeting you. You can send me your pictures on WhatsApp.
Nice meeting you too, sir. I mean, I've heard a lot about you and I'm glad I'm meeting you.
Okay.
There's no problem. I'll just collect your number from my friend Debbie.
You're welcome. Baby, I hope you're living your sleep very well. Because that role is a vital role. If you deliver, you'll be a long way.
Yes, Chairman, I'm getting ready. I can't wait to be on set.
I trust you. On Monday, my PM will call you.
Okay, sir.
Decide, and I'll find
you. Chairman, don't you think that a question is supposed to be the other way around? Like, I mean, it's supposed to be, what can we offer you? Don't you think so, Terry? Oh. I never thought that. Here we go. Wow.
fine.
Thank you.
Girl, the dress is so good on you.
Oh my, you can say that again.
So tell me.
Anyways, thank you for the compliment.
You're welcome. So tell me, where are you off to? Because I know this lesson. You're up to something.
Well, there's this guy I'm going to see, okay? I just want to go and see him. Let me know if like 1 or 2 is going to fall out or something like that.
You see, I did as much.
Hi, Debbie. All I need right now is for you to wish me luck. Good luck.
What did he say?
Good.
You don't need luck. What you need right now is God's mercy.
Hey.
Because babe, now you want to go and no.
Stop it. See the way you're sounding. You're sounding like I want to go and kill somebody already. Please, that's not what I'm going to do. I'm just going there to. Sweetheart, I have to start leaving, alright?
Okay.
I'll be right back. And when I come back, I'll give you the full gist.
I'm waiting.
See ya. Don't miss
See
me
ya.
much.
Good luck.
Good luck. Bye.
Bye. Yes, see ya. You stupid boy. Come back here. Okay, no, that tone is not good. No, I'll be meeting all these celebrities. I need to. Okay. Hey, you stupid boy. Come back here. I think that's better. Hey, I cannot miss this opportunity. Oh. They've not called me. Oh. This is already 8 now. Maybe they will still come in. Wait. Thank you. So the one you are doing in secret is not enough. Okay. Thank you. So the one... No, don't even tell me that. I don't want to listen to you. How does it sound? Hi, baby. Okay, I should sound more natural. Thank you. So the one you've been doing before is not enough. Let me even go jam. Pick now. Is he not picking? Someone is not picking. Yeah, he gave me his PM's number. I should call him. Pick up. Are they not starting the shoot again? It's almost... Debbie. You're sleeping. Sure. You're back? Yes. Where did you go to?
I went to see a friend, and then PM called me. He said I should come to the location. When I got there, I thought I was going to meet you there, but you were not there.
PM called you and you didn't even call me?
No, my phone went off. That was what happened. My phone automatically went off. So I literally asked him. He told me you were in your way, that you were coming. That was what he told me.
I called and he didn't take my calls.
Oh.
Yeah, but that was not what he told me. I'm so sorry. Probably he didn't take your calls because he was busy. You know how this PM thing works, but jumping from one place to another. I'm sorry.
So they started the job. I was thinking maybe they didn't even start because they didn't. Okay.
What did you make? Did you make anything?
Nothing. I was studying my scripts and I did stuff. I did cocoa.
Life is not the way you see it, so try to let this go, no matter what it may be. Why this start to gain from planning someone down for? Don't forget that what goes around comes around.
I don't know. There is no need to run. I mean, Chairman, how long do you intend to hide from me?
Debbie, it's not what you think. It was a friend that came to me. Not me that called her.
What do you mean it was my friend that came to you? I mean, Sharon is my best friend. She can't betray me.
Yes. She came to me and gave me an offer I could not resist.
And what offer was that?
Why are you still staring at me like that? I mean, as though you're still surprised to see me.
Because they're the least person I expected to see.
I mean, it doesn't matter. It is not a bad thing if I come see you. Is it a bad thing? Chairman, it's not like I'm desperate or I'm too forward, but don't you think that role you gave to my friend Debbie is too much for her? Yes. I mean, just take a very good look at me. I have the charisma, I have the accent, I have good qualities, I have the beauty, I have all it takes to play that role. Or don't you think so? I mean, I don't mind. I can do anything, just anything at all.
What do you mean by anything? You see, I was helpless. I'm sorry.
How could Sharon betray me? And you, I trusted you, Chairman.
Debbie, you see, 99% of men will fall for it. But I'm sorry, I will make it up to you.
Hey, Sharon, how could you? I've always wished her well. How could she do this to me?
Baby, look. Let me advise you. I will advise you, whenever you are going for job interview or job hunting, don't go with any of your friends until you secure the job. Thank you.
Debbie.
Sharon. What happened between you and Chama? You can't talk.
He was the one that asked me to come over, but I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I don't know what came over me. Debbie, please, I'm sorry. You don't know what came over you. You don't know what came over you. Tell what did I ever do to you? I treated you as a sister, as a friend. You took the role from me. Why? Why? Debbie, please, I'm sorry. Just forgive me. I can't explain what happened. I'm sorry. I should forgive you. I should forgive you. Fine. Fine. How could you do this to me? It's fine. I just blame myself for trusting you, thinking you have the same mind for me. I always take you along everywhere. I share everything with you, everything. And you. Please, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it like that. I don't know what came over me. Please, just forgive me. Debbie, please, I beg you. It will never happen again. Please. No, it can't happen again. Never. It will never happen. Debbie, please, I beg you. Fine. It will never happen again. Debbie, please, I beg you. I'm sorry. Debbie, please, I'm sorry. That was the movie that brought you to limelight. You betrayed me! Debbie, can you just stop? I pleaded for your forgiveness! That was a long time ago! Forgiveness? Did you say forgiveness? Forgiveness is not for betrayals like you. No. If forgiveness is for betrayals, I guess Satan will still be in heaven by now. The door is open. You can take this your newly found love. Shh, I'm talking. You can take him and walk through that door. Because I know that Benedict will never accept you. Or, better still, we can put this whole thing behind us and start all over. The choice is yours.
Do you know you are evil?
What are you still doing here? Shh. Out. You know, when my sister or my husband told me that you were up to evil, I doubted. I doubted them to the point that I even defended you. You know, thank God for the kind of sister and husband that I have. They made sure that I did not fall for your plans. They made sure that I did not fall for the trap that you have set for me. It might even interest you to know that I was just playing along. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh yes, I don't expect you to know what I'm talking about. I mean, I don't even expect you to understand it. But you know what? You know what will happen right now? You need to fasten your seatbelt because I'm about to take you on a very long ride.
Obviously, you do not care about this marriage anymore.
I don't understand. Am I supposed to care about this marriage? No, you want to put the blame on me. No, I'm asking you want to put the blame on me. How is it my fault? Benedict, I have told you what I want. And it is very obvious you can meet up to my standards. You cannot meet up to what I want. So what are we saying? There is a saying that if you cannot buy champagne, then you go for kai kai. After all, the two of them do it. They will hire you, but on a different level, and you know it. What are we talking about here?
I can see Debbie, your friend, is misleading. Oh yes, she's influencing you.
No, please don't even go there. I beg you, in the name of whatever thing you hold so there, don't drag my friend into it. Don't even mention her name. What is this? She has nothing to do with this. Are you understanding me? What are we even saying? What are we talking about? Ben, look at the divorce papers. I have sent it to you. It is glaring. It is looking at you. Sign this, the divorce paper. Let everybody go their separate ways. What is all this?
Can you listen to yourself? You've been advised to leave me. No, you've been advised to sign the divorce papers so that the so-called person advising you will replace you. But you have no eyes to see that. Obviously, yes, you're so blind to see that.
Hi! Ben, you're so funny. I never knew you were this funny. And then you're not doing this stand-up comedy. You're this funny. Who is going to replace who? I don't understand you. Debbie is going to do what? Chase who out of which marriage and replace who? Please just wake up from your slumber. Wake up from that imagination because it will never actualize. Do you understand? My friend Debbie has no interest in anything called marriage. Not today, not tomorrow, not next year. Debbie does not want to have anything to do with marriage. So if you think she wants to throw me out of my marriage and then take over, just wake up from that slumber because it's not even possible. Hey, Mr. Man, please, I'm begging you, sign this paper so you'll be so free like a bird to save yourself all the stress. Sign it so we can go our separate ways. What is this? You're giving me headache. Sign the papers.
Sharon, we are talking and you're walking out.
Say you be who?
Really?
Uncle Ben, please. Please, just, I know you're offended. Please, just hold on. Let me just go and talk to her. Please.
Rose, if you know that you walked into this room to talk to me about who about Ben, get out.
Come on, sis. What's your problem? There's nothing valuable out there.
And if you don't have anything reasonable to say to me, leave my room.
Sis, your friend Debbie doesn't have good intentions towards you. She wants your downfall. She's even trying to make advances towards your husband.
I said, Rose, get out. I will not repeat myself again. Get out.
We have evidence if you're doubting it.
If I stole you my phone.
You can come for it. We have evidence.
Get out.
Sis, there's an evidence. Believe me.
You know, I've always had this crush on you and...
Baby, stop this.
Why are you behaving like this? As if you're not a man of your word. Come on. Let's just enjoy ourselves. Oh, okay. Is it because of your wife? You think she's faithful to you? Is that what you think? Huh.
Debbie, why are you behaving this way? You're criticizing my wife, obviously because you want me. And you think it can work? What?
No. All I just said now is the truth. Sharon is cheating on you. And I know it. She's not faithful.
You must be kidding. Yes. I mean, I ask you, do you think you're the one good for me? No, answer me that. Can you just answer sincerely? You think you're the one good for me? I ask you.
Of course I am. She's not good for you.
Will you shut up your mouth? Any evidence to prove all you've been saying? Do you have any evidence to prove all you have been saying about my wife?
Well,
Why stuttering? Are you now?
I
I can
You're stammering?
prove it. That's...
Debbie, get out.
I
Debbie, can you just get out from my car?
I can prove it.
Stammer out of my car, Debbie.
Fine. Fine.
Just to show you how
Oh, the dash. Just imagine.
I never expected this from you.
Come on. Let's just enjoy ourselves. Oh, okay. It's because of your wife. You think she's faithful to you? Is that what you think? Huh.
Debbie, why are you behaving this way? You're criticizing my wife obviously because you want me. And you think it can work? What?
No. All I just said now is the truth. Sharon is cheating on you. And I know it.
You heard that, right?
Sources.
You
Do
joke.
you still want another evidence? Or you think it's an AI?
Why? But why with Debbie that I hold so dear to my heart? Someone that I trusted. Why would she want to see my life destroyed? For what reason?
That's left for you to find out.
Sharon. Sharon. Man, I'm so sorry. Please, I beg you. I'm so sorry for the pains and everything that I have done. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. I was just blindfolded by her advice. In her fantasy of stardom. Please, I beg you, forgive me.
You should be thanking your sister Rose and your God that my love for you never died. Oh yeah, so it's alright. Stand. Stand.
Thank you very much, Rose. Thank you for saving my marriage.
It's fine.
But I still need to know what Debbie is up to. I need to find out why she wants to do all of this. I just have to play along. And as for the video clip that you sent to my husband, thinking that I had something to do with Stanley. Newsflash. I want you to go and have a closer view of that clip. Just then, you would notice that there was nothing between myself and Stanley. I just thought that I should clear the air too.
Tell me how much she paid you. I'm willing to pay double.
What do you mean by paying me double? I don't get.
I know she hired you to set me up.
I still can't relate. What are you talking about?
Stanley, can you stop the pretense? Just stop it, alright? Do you know what I'm talking about? Besides, you said you loved me back then in school. Is this the love? What will you gain if you see your fellow man's relationship or marriage being ruined? What will you gain?
How did you know I was hired?
I made a few investigations. And then I realized that Debbie is up to something evil. She wants to ruin my life.
Alright, it's obvious you know what's going on. So what's next?
First, I need to know whose side you are. Are you on my side?
Yes, I'm on your side. But I want to do something like, I want to create an avenue where you both can settle your differences, you know. What's next? What's the next plan?
Very well done. I'd like us to continue. I'd like us to still play along. I want to really know what Debbie is up to. I want to see where this whole thing is driving at. Alright? So name your prize.
Will you stop with this naming of price? What is wrong with you? Sure, I don't like it. Alright? I am on your side and that's the most important thing here. Okay?
Very well done. Hope you remembered everything we discussed.
Yes, ma. I remember.
Please, on no account should you talk.
I will not.
Not turn on the light. Remember, if you talk, Debbie might recognize my voice and then she would know that it is not me that was actually there.
Okay.
Alright? Please, I want you to do a clean job. No mess.
Alright. Thank you.
Good. Debbie, it is very obvious that you did not watch that video clip properly. You didn't have a closer view. I bet you if you had watched that video very well, you would have known. The truth is that I'm not a saint. I acknowledge the fact that I offended you, I wronged you, and I sincerely apologized for it. I went as far as giving you the sum of 10 million naira. Just to show you how truly sorry I am. Let me even ask you, what do you stand to gain? What will be your benefit if you get my life ruined? What? So Stanley, you have...
Hey! Stop it. Debbie, you really need to drop this matter at this point. Come on. She has asked you for forgiveness over and over again. She even compensated you with good amount of money. Is it until you see her dead before you let her go?
No, Stanley. Why are you stressing yourself? Why are you bothered? You're trying to convince her? No, don't. There's no point convincing her. If she likes, she can drop everything that happened between us. She can put it behind her. But if she still doesn't want to, there's no problem. She can go ahead and carry my matter on her head like Gala and Lakasera. If that will make her happy. If that is what you want, you can go ahead and do it. I don't care. Stanley. Honestly, I want to say a very big thank you to you. Thank you so much for choosing peace. I want you to know that I sincerely appreciate. Thank you.
Thank you too. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Debbie, like I said earlier, you have to drop this matter at this point. There is no need you fighting her. There is no wrong that is unforgivable. Forgiveness is for all wrongs. And as a matter of fact, when you forgive, you free your heart. You free your spirit. When you forgive, you make yourself whole. You purge yourself of all these black things in your heart. Right? So please, let it go.
Once again, Stanley, thank you so very much. Thank you. I would like you to come to my house. My husband wants to say thank you in person.
Really?
Oh yes, please don't say no.
It's alright.
Oh, you're coming?
Yes.
Very well then. Please do me the favor by driving this car.
Okay.
Thank you.
has come over you. Oh, I need peace of mind. That's why I give you all you want. Just to show you how I feel for you. I never expected this from you, 'cause this is not how we used to be. All the good days and all the good times, living in peace and harmony. But I can't explain what's going on. I thought we are meant to. Can I have some peace of mind?
Oh my goodness.
This is not
well, a good one.
Sir, can I resign now? I still want to say I'm very sorry. Like, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for the stress that I have put everyone through. Please, you all find a place in your heart to forgive me. Sweetheart,
Hey,
please,
come
I am
on.
sorry.
It's okay, alright?
Charity, once more, I am sorry. Believe me, from the deepest part of my heart, I am sorry. And thank you very much for saving my marriage.
Oh, what are sisters for?
Well, guys, I think this calls for better celebration, yeah? So go get ready, guys. We're stepping out.
Oh my. And obio's on me.
It's gonna be a crazy day. And adding to that, Stanley, send me your account number, all right? I am going to support you with a sum of 5 million naira, so you build your business to that VIP level you've always wished. Oh yes.
Wait.
My wife told me.
5 million what?
5 million naira. Yes, of course. My wife told me.
Thank you very much.
It's all right.
Thank you.
It's all right. Whoa! It's happening.
Thank you so much.
Oh, it's flowing. It's
Sounds
flowing.
nice.
Thank you very much.
It's all good. Rose.
Yeah.
So tell Peter and Philo to resume immediately.
Right,
Okay?
yes, I will.
Yes, they should come back.
I'll do that.
It's all good.
Thank you so much.
Come on, guys, go get ready. Go get ready. Go get ready. Woo! Come on.
You don't think my phone don't almost go. Don't say as a cry, like the thing. You won't kill yourself. If you won't kill yourself, you won't die now.
There you go.
Kill yourself.
I want buy him. Philo? Let me give you this.
Peter, where you been since? Hey, see you.
Make I go. Say, you get what you want to do. Say, you go call me back. I don't know why.
One even better, they say they could call you back. That means you get hope now. How come long they just pursue me like that? They didn't even tell me say they go call me back today. They are not even care hope at all.
Me, I get hope. Oh. God day. Let's don't collect this. 500 waiting.
Rose, they call me Madam Sister.
Huh? Pick up.
Hello? Nafiro, yes. Yes, I still there around. Eh? What do you talk? Make I come back work. Why you my sister? Make I come back work.
Make you come back.
Yes.
No better. And then wait, make them call me.
Yeah. They go call you, God go do one.
Wait.
Wait. Okay, they call me.
Okay, they call you.
Shh. Hello? Yes, sir. Make they come work now. Okay, sir.
That's why I give you all you want. Just to show you how I feel for you. I never expected this from you, 'cause this is not how we used to be. All the good days and all the good times, living in peace and harmony. But I can't explain what's going on. I thought we are meant to. Can I have some peace of mind?